Oh, battery handle's already dead. So we open this wall up, got this, but to finish this, we got to take part of the drop down off like I had to over here. So this plywood goes all the way up. So we have to take off some of the drop down to take that all off. And then we got this whole wall taken off, but except for plywood. And then, like I said, that, and then we cleaned out. And so, but we're trying to hurry and fill this garbage can up because I'm afraid tomorrow of showing up and this is full of other people's crap. So that's my fear. So we're trying to hurry and fill it up. And oh, and then I built a little sawhorse so that I can stand on it. That's day 2. I don't think I did anything in there, but we got rid of a cabinet and a shelf in there as well. So but that just needs to get cut up and then across, and that whole wall will fall down. And then we have to build another wall right there. So we'll be back tomorrow. Okay. So, what are you doing? No. Okay, you ready? Carson? Okay. Somebody give me a pry bar? Thank you. Hey, you got your right. See, look, even with that, look at how hard it is. It barely made the hole. People saying it is probably a waste of time. Probably, maybe, but I own the business. I do whatever the hell I want. And it only took me 16 minutes. No, that's what the clock says. Yeah. So it's got a backrest. It's for little asses though. We have little asses. Yeah, the freaking backrest is bigger than the ass seat, but I can put another board on there if I wanted to. He's asking for a footrest. Three, two, one, go!
Oh yeah! I told you to duck your head, Joe. I was like, you gotta aim high.
So, here at the event center again. We're gonna start framing, but wanted to show you, look, we have a doorway. This is gonna go into a storage room. We're gonna have a mop area here with a wall, and then another mop area on that side. This will be bathroom here. You'll enter there, enter here, enter the storage room here, enter the storage room here. So we got a lot of shit going on, right? Ouch. So yeah, and drinking fountain here. So that is a mop station. That is going
one here, one here. So we'll have two mop stations. And then we're having a wall here with fridge on either side, and then countertops. And so we got to put a doorway there. We got to put a doorway here. And then this will go. And we got to convert this into a door. But that's where we're at. So I just did a big circle. We got to obviously bring that wall down, bring this itty bitty little wall down, and put a wall right there. We did all of this bark to be nice. So it looks so pretty. So put it over there. Look how pretty that looks. So, and then we have extra for when or if it gets like dirty by the doors while we're doing stuff, dust and stuff comes out and gets this end dirty. I have extra to put there. There's one more door I didn't show. And then we did this doorway. Well, we cut it out. This is a bearing wall. So I gotta put up temporary studs, and then I gotta cut these two and build a header. So I gotta cut this up higher and put a header in here. But this goes into this other unit. That's gonna be most likely a restaurant. But the unit behind me has to have two doors. So that is one exit. So we have to put a hallway here and there. They take the capacity of what this building's gonna hold, how many people's gonna be in it, and that dictates how far you can run with exits. And so because the capacity is over a certain amount, and this distance from clear over there to here is so big, that door doesn't work. So we have to have a door over here. So if there's a fire or anything, people can get out. So electrician, HVAC, they're all coming to redo all the wiring. And concrete's getting cut today. So that's what all these orange lines are for. But we will take off for now. Oh, and then we sealed all our joints. I haven't had a camera for a couple days, so that's why I'm just catching you guys up on everything. So I still don't have my camera, but I'm using my cell phone. So that's where we're at for now.